Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a responsive footer and stylish also. So let's create. Here you can see I have opened a folder. Now I will actually create a new file here, and I'm going to say Control plus S for saving the file, and let's say I want to name the file as footer.html, and I'm going to type HTML and press tab. It will actually create basic structure for me. In the title I'm going to say nothing, or maybe you can say footer. Okay, no problem, footer example. In the body I'm going to write footer symmetric tag, press tab, and I'm going to do style in the same page. So I will say here style tag, and inside it I'm going to do style for it. For the footer I'm going to say here a class, let's say footer, and this is footer. Okay, no problem. I'm going to create multiple div. So my footer class will be worked as flex. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say dot footer class display as flex. Okay, and I'm going to say justify content space between. Why? Because I will create multiple div, and all the div actually will create space between them. I mean, let's say I want to create two div. I mean, I want to set here two div, so the two div will be one will be in the left side and another one will be in the right side. But let's say I have add one more div, so three div, right? So the last one will come in the middle, and as like this it will actually divided the space between them, right? Okay, so here I'm going to say class div div. Okay, no problem. And I'm going to say here, let's say I want to add four div. All of them will contain the same class, and I'm going to say here that dot div. I'm going to say flex display as flex, and I'm going to say here flex 1. So what is the meaning of flex 1? Flex 1 actually keep all the div, I mean same width and height. Okay, I mean same ratio, right? Aspect ratio. Okay, so the first div, let's say I'm going to say here let's say this is the news site, so the first div will be, let's say, some link, important link. So I would say here ul and then li. Okay, and then anchor tag. All right, hash. Okay, here I'm going to say latest news. I'm going to add some link. Let's say USA news. Let's say what can I say? Let's say China, and let's see sports. Okay, in the middle let's say I want to add a map, so I will say here want to embed a map, right? Okay, so I will actually keep it null for now, and yeah, not here really. And I'm going to say here, let's say some social link, so I will say here one more ul li, and I'm going to copy it, going to paste it here. I'm going to say let's say Facebook, copy YouTube, paste Instagram, and let's say Twitter, right? make it capital letter, no problem. So this div will actually take the map, so we'll actually embed the map here, don't worry. And the last, what can I say, at the last, let's say I want to add some let's say information or contact list. Okay, so let's say I want to add one more URL li here, and I'm going to say anchor tag, and here I'm going to say, let's say contact us, copy it, paste it here, our clients, and then our members. Okay, our members, that's it. And at the bottom I'm going to use another yeah, not really, I'm going to say here, let's say another section, or maybe I can say here div, right? No problem, div. And this one will be, let's say the class will be copyright, so this one will be the copyright div. And here I'm going to say h1, not h1 really, I'm going to say here h3, let's say. And here I'm going to say at copyright, I'll say data visionary, and here I have to embed the map, right? So let's go to the browser, and I'm going to embed a map. So I'll go to the map.google.com, or maybe if you want to go to the map here, from here actually you can go. All right, it will actually took you to the same place. So let's say I'm going to say Gaza. Okay, not Gaza, actually Gaza, Palestine. So here let's say I want to go here. Okay, I want to mention this location. So what I have to do, I have to just copy, I mean share it, and then copy the link, or you just have to select the embedded map. Okay, so you can select the size, small, medium, large, any size. So this is the small size, let's say medium size, or okay, I'm going to select the small one, then copy HTML and go here, where, okay, code editor. Okay, and just paste here. Now let's open it in a browser. So go here, and here you can see we have added footer, but all of them are messy, and the copyright is actually showing here, right? So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to say that okay, I'm going to remove it from here. I'm going to go to the here, and I'm going to say copyright. Okay, no problem, refresh. All right, copyright is showing here. And what I'm going to say here, I'm going to say align items, line items as center, so that it's in center. Okay, all right. You can actually reduce the size of the map. So yeah, let's go to the browser, and I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to share it once again, and I'm going to give you a custom size. So which size actually we want. So let's say I want as let me just find out the size, okay, of this div. So I'll go to the inspect option here, and here I'm going to find the size. So here you can see the footer is all about like this. I'm going to say here 343. So it should be, you know, like 350, let's say 350. And this one is, let's say, I don't know if I want to give here any, okay, like this. So copy the HTML and go in the code editor, go here, this div, and I'm going to actually remove it once again. I'm going to paste it. So now let's go and check, refresh. Okay, now you can see so this is the map, And all right, so here you can see we have list I mean bullet item, right? So now let's go for the what can I say, now we'll actually do style for it. So here you can see we have a class, footer class, and we have set it. Okay, everything is all right. And now I'm going to say here that okay, now go to the div ul li. I'm going to stop all the list style. I'll say list style none. Refresh. Now you can see there is no list style, and I'm going to copy it once again, paste it, and here I'm just going to say lia, okay, and go tag, and I'm going to say here text decoration none. Refresh. Now you can see text decoration gone, and I'm going to change the color. So copy it and paste it here, and I'm going to change the color on hover. So I will say hover, and I'm going to set here color will be, let's say, golden color, any golden color. Okay, refresh. Now you can see it's changing the color. Okay, now let's change the background color for the footer. So here I'm going to say background color, let's say dark gray. I don't know the color is exist or not, it's not exist yet. So yeah, gray maybe. Okay, we can actually use here what can I say, hash color code. Okay, so here actually I'm going to change the color also, and here you can see I'm going to change the color, let's say white maybe, right? Okay, and here you can see it's changing, right? Let me just remove it, and if you hover on it, now you can see it changes. Okay, so yeah, and here you can see the map is I mean should actually give here some space, right? So I'm going to use here padding for the div. Okay, I'm going to say here padding, not the div actually. I'm going to say for the footer. Okay, I'm going to say padding of, let's say, 20 pixel. Oh, that's really too much, so I'm going to say 10 pixel. Refresh. Okay, now it's getting space, and I'm going to set here universal sign, and I'm going to say here margin 0, padding 0. All right, now it's look good or better, and I'm going to set text align center, text align center. No, not really. Problem here. Okay, say is I'm going to say here that okay, justify content center. Okay, that's it. Refresh. All right. Okay, you can see. I'm going to say here that I want padding of 20 pixel. Okay, not here really. I'm going to remove it from here, and I'm going to go here. I'm going to add it here. Now it's look too much, so let's say 10. Yeah, now it's look good. Okay, computer. Okay, and I want to show it in the center, so let's go, and here copyright. All right, so copy it and go here in the style dot copyright, and I'm going to say here color, let's say yeah, black. Okay, no problem. I'm going to change the background color, let's say which color actually, so any green, actually I don't know which color, so you can go to the color picker, just go here and go to the color picker, and from here you can actually set the color. So any color actually you can choose, any color. Just copy it and paste it here. So I'm going to change the the text color also. So I will say text color will be bold. Yeah, here I'm going to say that okay, text and line should be center. Okay. So now and I'm going to add some padding. So I will say padding of, let's say, 11 pixel. All right, everything is all right here. And yeah, now okay, you can actually create okay, I think this is enough, right? Now it's look good, right? Okay, so these are actually, you can create a, you know, a nice footer. So yeah, this is the code. If you need the code, let me know in the comment section. I think you should you know, follow the video and copy everything step by step, not just, you know, copying just a, you know, whole code. Okay, you have to watch the video and do what I've done here. I hope you will understand perfectly. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.